I don't know how to start videos anymore because I'm like, hey, it's Kat. It just sounds so fake because I'm really not that person. I'm actually like more of this loud, some people would venture to say rude person. So in this video, I am going to be showing some of my favorite healthier recipes or alternatives to amazing tasting foods and sweet treats and snacks that I eat all the time. I've recently been trying to eat healthier and not overeat. Anybody who's watching this who's considered eating better but they haven't, or they've been watching these videos for like a year and they're like, one day I'll do it. That was me for like 3 years. And I finally did it when I got back from California, and you know, sometimes I eat some mini eggs, but for the most part, I'm good. And I honestly feel so much better. I'm almost never ever bloated. I know bloating is like natural, just like personally for me, because naturally I actually don't have a huge appetite to eat huge meals. One of the things I would say that's really important if you're trying to start a health journey, that sounds really cringy, like if you want to start your health journey, I can't put this on the internet, can I? People are gonna laugh at me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'm just going to get on with it.
Alright y'all, so the first thing we're making is a tofu arugula salad. You're going to start off with your bowl, since we're making the vinaigrette first, and we're going to take some olive oil, because olive oil is great. And you're going to want about 2 teaspoons of this and add that into your bowl. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to get your balsamic vinegar and you're going to add about 1 teaspoon into your bowl. And I feel like a weird tutorial lady right now. Then you're going to mix it all together and know that you got the best of both worlds, like Hannah Montana. Now we're making the salad. We're needing arugula, sunflower seeds, and tofu. Now add the arugula into your bowl. Put more than me, I accidentally put too little. Arugula is actually the only lettuce I really like, honestly, otherwise I kind of hate lettuce. Then we're going to take our sunflower seeds and you're going to put about 3 teaspoons of that in. It makes it taste so good, honestly, and then you're going to shittily mix it all together, just like me. Then you're going to add the vinaigrette into the bowl, and that is going to be a really good time. I really can't believe I put such little lettuce in. Now you're going to take your tofu, and I cut about 1/4 of this block out, and then you are just going to cut it into smaller pieces. This ended up being more tofu than I needed it, but I ended up eating all of it anyways because tofu is really good considering I don't really eat meat. Next, I'm just putting it into a frying pan. I think that's what this is called. Please don't call me stupid. Anyways, so I'm adding that all into the pan, and then I am just moving them around, pushing them down, making them sizzle. I don't even know if that actually helps, but in my mind it does, so whatever. And then just flipping them, making sure all sides are brown. Then I am taking them out and placing them on the salad, only to take them out again and reorganize it. Next, I'm adding some pepper on and then some lemon juice because lemon juice makes it taste really good. Next, we're making no sugar added muffins, and these are my favorite. Okay, so we are having a banana, an egg, any berries of your choice, but honestly, raspberries are the best. Any type of flour, baking powder, some oil, any oil. So we're gonna mash up a banana in a bowl for starters, and you're really gonna mash it until, like, just go ham on this banana. It hurt your feelings. It broke up with you and broke your heart. It took your virginity and then left. Like, just really get angry at this banana. This banana hurt you. Next thing you're gonna do is crack an egg into the bowl. And then you're going to get about, I think it was 1/4 of oil. I don't know. Just put some oil in, man. And then put some water in too. And The water it is like half a cup of water, yeah. And then you're just going to mix it all together. Again, like Hannah Montana. If you're not thinking about Hannah Montana while you're mixing it all together, then I think you should just leave right now because I can't even with you. And also, it doesn't matter if there's banana chunks, so that's good to know. Then you're going to add 2 cups of flour. I had to just put a bunch of little cups because I didn't have a full cup measure. And you're just going to mix that in, and I know at first you're like, oh, this is not going to work, but then eventually it becomes into this beautiful, scary dough thing. Then put 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder in and just mix that in once again like Hannah Montana. And then you're going to put a lot of berries. I honestly think I put like 2 cups or more of berries. The berries are what make it sweet and not taste like dry and gross. Like the berries just go so much with the berries. Berries should be like half the batter, honestly. It makes it so much better. And then I'm just folding it into the batter and then mixing it up. And the batter kind of gets to this pinkish color. I don't like to mix them in too much though because I like the chunks of berries in my muffins. Now you're going to place them in the oven. The batter should make about 12 muffins, and you put them in for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The next thing is no added sugar chocolate pancakes. So good. So you're going to put a banana into a blender and then add just over 1/8 cup of milk and blend it up. No banana chunks for us. And then we're going to place an egg in the bowl and beat the egg. And then we're going to mix those two together. Then we have 1/2 cup of flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now you can put 1 to 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and mix that all together like Hannah Montana. I'm not going to stop saying that. And this is what the batter should look like. Then you're going to put a frying pan on medium-high heat and put some oil or oil spray or butter and take 1/4 of the batter and put it in and then just smooth it out to make it like a pancake like shape as so, and remember to flip it obviously. Now these are sugar-free unless you want to add maple syrup, and I will because it's better.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. I just said, y'all, don't forget to follow my Instagram down below. I'm trying to be more active on there. You could subscribe. You could subscribe. You could subscribe.